Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very pretty and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your giant sweater, baby sweater, ladies sweater and blanket as well. You can knit this in your blanket. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this, wrong side. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 2, or you can cast on any even number stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 12 stitches on my needle, and now row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. We're gonna draw loop from here. Insert your right hand needle in between of this second and third stitch here and draw loop from here and knit these two together through the back loop. That's the repeat. These two stitches again, draw loop and knit these two together through the back loop. One more again, draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. Knit two together, draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. One more repeat, draw loop and knit these two together through the back loop. And your edge stitch, bring that in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3, for row 3 knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Again, repeat pattern is same, draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. Draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. Draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. Draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop. Draw loop, knit these two together through the back loop and your edge stitch, knit one. Row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back, knit one, slip one with yarn in back. That's the repeat, knit one, slip one, knit one and slip one, knit one, slip one, knit one, slip one, knit one, slip one, and your edge stitch, bring that in front and slip. Row 5, for row 5 knit all stitches. Row 6 purl all stitches. Row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.